Winston Churchill. Britain's new hero arrives today. After the unification of India in 1941, Winston Churchill was invited by the King to a nomination meeting for his royal role as Raj Leader, amid so much turmoil in India for independence. The armies of Churchill and the United Provinces were able to calm the spirits of the Indians who were fighting for their independence. After all, the opposition to Churchill says he is senile and mentally ill, yet supporters call him a hero. He was responsible for the Delhi famine of the years 1939 to 1943, where more than 500,000 Delhians died of starvation. But it seems the king ignores such acts. Now Churchill controls the Raj, a nation expanded to the fullest extent of the Indian continent. Now the empire where the sun never sets shines in one more place.